$20,000 in passive income in less than 50 days. I tried the absolute laziest way to make money online. If you're broke or just want to add income to your bank, I did research and I found a way that could make you money, and it works. And that is affiliate marketing, a business with Amazon with the help of AI, and I documented the entire process from start to finish, and I will help you find this product so that you can promote and get money with the help of social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. You find a link from Amazon and you promote the products and you make money like the rest of the influencers online. And this is a very easy way to make money. Is it does not require a lot of time. It just requires 2 hours in a day and you can make the money. But remember, everything has to be put work into it. When you put work into it, you're going to find the results. And let's get to it, and I show you the products that you can promote and how to promote them so that you can make money online. Thank you. There are several ways of making money on Amazon, and a few of them is sell products as an individual. Here's where you can become an individual seller on Amazon by creating an account and listing products to sell. Two, products sell products as a professional. If you plan to sell a large number of products, you want to consider becoming a professional seller on Amazon. And number three, fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. You can send your products to Amazon's fulfillment center and they can handle storage, packing, shipping, and customer service. This method allows you to focus on sourcing products while Amazon takes care of the logistics. Number four, Kindle Direct Publishing. If you enjoy writing, you can self-publish ebooks through KDP. It allows you to reach a wide audience and earn royalties on each sale. You can write fiction, non-fiction, or even children's book. Match by Amazon. This program enables us to design and sell custom-made T-shirts through Amazon. Amazon Handmade. If you can create handmade products such as jewelries, artwork, or craft, you can apply to sell on Amazon Handmade. This platform is specifically for artists who offer a way to reach a wide audience. And affiliate marketing, and as an Amazon associate you can earn a commission by promoting and selling through products. Affiliate link, you can place these links on your website, blog, social platform. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you receive a percentage of your sale. And in this video we're going to be looking more on affiliate marketing, and I'll take you on the basics of affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, this is a type of performance-based marketing in which individuals or business ideas of businesses called affiliates earn a commission for promoting products or services of another company. Affiliate marketing benefits both the merchant and the affiliate. The merchant gets increased exposure and sales through the effort of an affiliate, while affiliates have the opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products or services they believe in. It is important for affiliates to choose reputable merchants and products that align with their audience and interest to maximize their chances of success. Here's how affiliate marketing generally works. Number one, affiliate joins a program. An affiliate sign up an affiliate program offered by a merchant. These programs can be managed directly by the merchant or through affiliate networks. Number three, affiliate. Number two, affiliate select products or services. Once accepted in the product and the program, affiliate choose the products or services they want to promote. And number three, affiliate promotes the products or service. Affiliate employs various marketing techniques to promote the chosen products or service. This can indulge in creating content on their website or blog, running advertisements, select media marketing, email marketing, or other form of online promotion. And number four, affiliate in indulge in unique affiliate links. Affiliate includes special tracking links provided by the merchant or affiliate network within their prominential promotable content. These links have unique identifier that allows the merchant to track their traffic and sale generated by each affiliate. Number 5, consumer click on affiliate market. And the affiliate link, when a consumer click on affiliate unique link, they are redirected to the merchant website. The unique link ensures the merchant can attribute to the traffic or sales of a specific affiliate. The consumer make a purchase and they can make such purchases that and website by clicking the affiliate link. In this affiliate and a commission, and the commission structure can vary on affiliate program that may be based on the percentage of the sale or a fixed amount. Affiliates receive commission once the transaction is verified. The affiliate receives a commission from the merchant. The payment terms and schedule are typically outlined in affiliate programs agreement, and I will walk you through the Amazon on how you can do it. As is a simple way, so we're going to walk to Amazon, and once you have signed in, you're going to sign in to Amazon. You use your email to sign in, and once you sign in, you're going to head to the footer of the website, and this is where you're going to look for Amazon, where you can make money with Amazon. And when you see that, you're going to click on that advertising, Amazon advertising, and in this they're going to tell you how it works. Amazon ads that can work as hard as you do. So the more you really advertise your work, the more people buy and the more you get. And guys, this one is free of charges. You're not going to get anything. You're not going to use money to make. I woke up this morning with an idea of making money online. This determination comes from wanting to break free from the system. Oh, I want to be free and be able to afford luxury and a good life.
Nice.
So I hopped up on the internet to search for ways to make money online for beginners. And it has to be free as I don't have any money. So I searched and searched until I got tired and almost gave up.
I almost gave up hope.
But then I remembered of a friend.
Introducing
ChatGPT. Yeah, you heard that right. This artificial intelligence is going to help us with generating ideas to make an income like the rest of the gang on the internet.
Cindy.
I asked ChatGPT to give me all the ideas in the world to make money online. And of course, it delivered.
And guess what? I love you. I love you. I love you.
Posting without showing your face. People are making thousands and thousands on YouTube without showing their faces or using their own voice.
It's very simple, and I think that's how you should do things in life.
YouTube automation is where channels like are getting views, and a lot of views from posting videos they create without showing their faces or using their own voice. As you can see, they're generating tons of money with the help of AI. So let's get started and make this money.
Big bank, small bank, I like to make money. All right.
Motivational quotes channel. So this niche on YouTube has been generating a lot of money, and it requires minimal time and efforts to create these videos. Don't worry, as you do not need money to make this video. Everything needed and everything that is going to be used on this creation video is free, so you can relax and sleep while you're making money. First, you need to have a YouTube channel. So head to Google and go to youtube.com. And when you're in youtube.com, go to sign up with your email and create a YouTube channel.
Oh my God! Wow!
Add a logo, tags, and headers. After you're done, we asked ChatGPT for famous quotes. There are many and there are plenty. So trust me, all you need to do is copy and paste. When you have found the quotes that you need, head to canvas.com and select videos. Put a background of your own liking and paste the motivational quotes you found in the internet. Customize your videos, adding effects, animation, transition. Repeat this process until you have 10 to 8-minute video, as you're going to need to be monetized to make money. Now that you're done with that, you need an audio for that. So you head to math.com and select the best AI voice. That is after going through all of them and finding the best one. After you've found it, use it, customize it to add pauses. When you're done, download the audio for your video. Then you head to your favorite video editor to complete your work. Edit your video and add necessary customization, then download your video and upload it on YouTube. After you have posted your video, head to canvas.com. This is where you're going to create your thumbnail. And here is when you use your creativity. You need to show us. You need to create a thumbnail that is going to make people click onto your video. Attracting people to watch your video.
Welcome to the fucking show.
When you're done, give your video a title relative to the subject. Then post and wait for your video to go viral.
We're going viral.
one is posting stories. I know you have seen this
Telling stories.
idea. Posting stories, history stories, kid stories, Bible stories, horror stories. The thing about this is people like listening to something. Let's say they're doing their work, they're cooking, they're cleaning, or even studying. They like distraction, and in this distraction, we need good distraction. So posting kids' videos, stories, and Bible stories, you can find these stories on the internet. You can ask ChatGPT for these stories, and when you find them, you head again to canvas.com, and it's free. You customize your stories, and then you go to math.com. This is where you're going to get an AI voicer who's going to help you narrate your story so that people can come. Rule number 1, always make your stories interesting, as all you need to do is keep your viewers entertained. And when you do that, they flock and you make money. All you need is Wi-Fi, Google, stock footages, Canvas, and an editing software. And when you're done, you post your work on YouTube. When you post your work on YouTube, you look for good thumbnails and good titles. And when that is done, you are ready to make some money. Alright guys, so see you on the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to tell a friend. This channel has good plans. Bye bye.